Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about one drug, mainly its action upon glands, especially in cancerous condition and from carbon group. That is about Carbo animalis. Carbo animalis, its common name is animal charcoal, belong to carbon group, mainly for scrofulous and venous conditions, constitutions, thermally chilly, and trimiasmatic, and sphere of action is mainly upon glands, blood vessels, extremities, genitourinary system. Upon gland, it causes induration, swelling, and painful condition of the glands, especially in case of cancerous conditions. And in blood vessels, it causes sluggishness of the flow, resulting in bluish appearance, that is cyanosis of extremities. Then in extremities, mainly indicated for stiffness of the joints and also weak joints, resulting in easily turn up. Then in genitourinary system also, especially in case of females, it is an important remedy for cancerous condition with offensive discharges, acrid offensive discharges, etc. So coming to the guiding symptoms, persons with feeble circulation and lowered vitality, especially for old people. Then glands indurated, swollen and painful. Then there is great exhaustion, especially after menses. Can hardly speak. That is, females after their menses, the patients are too poor to stand up or even to speak. Then desire to be alone and avoids conversation. Also, remedy for indigestion and flatulence. The ankle joints are weak, so there is easily spraining from lifting, and also remedy for ulcerations, decompositions, secretions, etc. And these secretions are very much offensive in nature. So guiding symptoms being, it is mainly indicated for the weak persons, so with feeble circulation, low vitality, easily cyanosed conditions, and also for glands with the indurated, swollen, painful condition, especially in cancerous conditions. And the patient is much exhausted after menses and even unable to stand up and speak. Also, great desire to be alone and also avoids conversation. Then digestion is poor with flatulence, and joints gets easily sprained and turn up. Then for ulceration and decomposition, secretion, etc. are very much offensive in nature. So coming to the etiology, for the bad effects from spoiled fish and decayed vegetables, you have studied this symptom in other drugs like carbovegit, Azalb, etc. So here also the main etiology is taking spoiled fish or decayed vegetables. Then adaptability, mainly indicated in persons having feeble circulation or stagnated blood, cyanotic appearance is there. Then with the vitality poor, minimum vitality, that is a cyanotic condition. That is especially suitable for persons, elderly persons with marked venous plethora, that is with blue cheeks, blue lips and great debility. Then mind, desire to be alone, sad, avoids conversation, anxiety at night with orgasm of blood. Then coming to head, there is headache and the patient feels as if a tornado in head, as if the head had been blown into pieces. Tornado means കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ്. അങ്ങനെ അത്രയ്ക്കും ഒരു പെയിൻഫുൾ കണ്ടീഷനായിട്ടാണ് തോന്നുക, ആൻഡ് ഫീൽസ് ആസ് ഇഫ് ദ ഹെഡ് ഹാഡ് ബീൻ ബ്ലോൺ ഇൻ ടു പീസസ്. സോ മസ്റ്റ് സിറ്റ് അപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഹോൾഡ് ദ ഹെഡ് ടുഗദർ. Patient wants to hold the head together. This same symptom we have studied in case of glonoin also. In glonoin, the headache is synchronous with pulse and must hold the head with both hands. patient can't lie down because there is severe congestion also. Here also the patient feels as if a tornado in head and as if the head had been blown into pieces. So patient must sit up and hold it together. In case of belladonna also, patient cannot lie down. Patient has to sit up and is supported by pressure or tight bandaging or wrapping up, etc. Here also patient wants to sit up and hold it together. And also great sensitiveness to cold, open, dry air. So headache feels as if a tornado in head and the head feels as if had been blown into pieces. So must sit up and hold it together. Then ear, hearing confused and cannot tell the direction of sound. Also there is ichorous discharge from ears, often accompanied by swelling of parotid gland. See, all the discharges are very much offensive also. So ear having ichorous discharge which is offensive and patient cannot recognize from which the direction the sound comes. Then GIT, there is sour taste in the mouth. Also he feels looseness of the teeth with bleeding gums. Also much weak, sore, empty feeling at the pit of the stomach with indigestion and flatulence. So in GIT, sour taste is there, looseness of teeth is there with bleeding gums, indigestion, flatulence and empty feeling at stomach. Then female symptom and gland symptom or skin symptoms are important here. Mainly you can expect the carboanimalis in CA condition, in carcinoma or cancerous condition. The question is usually asked like this, but study also the female symptoms also important. Sometimes can be asked. Or skin symptoms of carboanimalis. So coming to the female symptom of carboanimalis about menses. Menses is too early, frequent, long lasting. After menses, the patient is so weak that she can hardly speak. The same symptom is seen in alumina and cocculus. Also, menses flow fully in the morning, like Lilian T. Costiga. Here also, menses is only at morning and the patient is too weak after menses. So weak that the person can hardly speak. Then all the discharges are exhausting like menses, leukorrhea, lochia, diarrhea, sweat, etc. All the discharges are much exhausting and offensive also. Lochia, offensive. Again, for malignant ulceration of the neck of the womb with foul discharges. Cancerous uterus, burning pain down thighs. So, as I already said that it is a important remedy for cancerous conditions. So, it is indicated for malignant ulcers of neck of uterus with bad discharges and CA uterus with burning pain down thighs. Also there is leukorrhea, that is watery, acrid, burning, particularly when walking. And there is burning in vagina and labia. So all the discharges are much exhausting in nature, offensive in nature, acrid also. Also there is painful indurations in breast, remedy for CA breast, especially right. Glandular diseases of a serous nature with fitted discharges accompanied with great prostration and debility. So these are the female symptoms. So it is a wonderful remedy for CA, carcinoma conditions of both CA uterus and CA breast. The symptoms being ulcers with foul discharges, burning, then prostration, etc. and accompanied by prostration or debility. Also Female symptoms, the menses. Menses is early, frequent, long-lasting, and after menses, the patient is too weak or exhausted. That is, patient is unable to speak or to stand. See, all the discharges are very much exhausting, offensive, acrid, etc. So study well the female symptom. It is a very important remedy for CA conditions, and you have to differentiate other remedies with this Carbo animalis for cancer. Then coming to the skin symptoms, spongy ulcers are there, copper-colored eruptions or exanthemata, also foul exhausting sweats at night, staining yellow. See, the sweats are also exhausting in nature, and also bad smell. For bubo, acne rosacea, verruca means warts on hands and face of all people with bluish color of the extremities. See, cyanosis is also prominent. Then about glands indurated, swollen, painful, glands of neck, axilla, groin, mammary, etc. all indurated, swollen and with pain. And the pain is lancinating, cutting and burning in nature. So this is the main indication of the gland, that is all the glands are indurated, swollen and painful. And there is burning, cutting, lancinating pain also. Burning, rawness and fissures. Also moisture skin is present. Then about buboes, indurated and maltreated, also skin conditions which are refuses to heal, again suppurating nature and accompanied by burning. Benign suppurations changes into Icarus or malignant conditions. So in skin conditions there are buboes or other skin lesions which refuses to heal, and later it will change to malignant conditions. So it is an important remedy for female CA, that is CA breast, CA uterus, etc. Also with skin CA, that is the old buboes or the any growth or any ulcers, etc., which remains as such, and it will refuse to heal, and which in turn change to malignant conditions. And there is profuse sweat which are also very much foul and is exhausting. And all the glands are indurated, swollen, painful, especially of neck, axillae, groin, mammary, and the nature of the pain being burning in nature, lancinating nature and cutting. Then next about extremities, it is a remedy for wrist pain, also pain in causes in hip joints, and the pain worse at night, burns when touched. The characteristic feature of extremity symptoms in extremities are there is rheumatic stiffness. Stiffness is marked, especially of the joints. Also, the joints is very much weak. So, whenever the patient walks, the ankles turn in while walking. Then easily get sprained. Even by slightest exertion, spraining occurs. Straining or overlifting produces great debility. Again, debility is much marked. So, in extremities, there is rheumatic stiffness present. Also, the joints are weak, so the joints will easily dislocate whenever the patient walks, or whenever he exert. There is a slight exertion will result in easily spraining of the part. Also, there is pain in wrist, causes, hip joint, etc. And these all pains are aggravated or more at night. Then regarding respiratory symptom, there is a stitching pain which remains in the chest after recovery from pleurisy. So, there is a pain in chest after recovery from pleurisy. Then finally about modalities, aggravation from while eating, when lying, after shaving, from slightest touch, after midnight, from loss of animal fluids, dry cold air, from lifting and during menses. And amelioration, laying hand on part and rubbing the eyes. So these are the important points to be remembered in the carbo animalis. And among the other symptoms, you should remember carbo animalis, the indication in skin or gland or female symptoms. Study well these three headings: skin symptoms, glandular symptoms, and indication of carbo animalis in female conditions. So the important point is in female symptoms are first about menses. And said that all the discharges, especially menses, also very much exhausting. So patient gets much weak or exhausted and is unable to even stand or to speak. Then lochia is offensive. Then there is malignant ulceration in the neck of womb with foul discharges. There is burning pain. Then leucorrhea is also very much acrid and is more when she walks. Then symptoms of breast, that is there are painful inturations in breast, and so also there is discharges which are very much fetid in nature, and prostration and burning also associate. Then skin symptoms, also all the skin glandular symptoms you should write. Then foul discharges should remember, and ulcers or the buboes which remains as such will later turn into malignant conditions. And regarding extremity symptoms, joints are weak, and also remedy for rheumatic stiffness, and also the parts get easily sprained. So these are all about carbo animalis. And the complementary remedy are calcarea carb and phosphorus. And next, comparisons. Comparison first about bromium. Bromium gland is usually very much hard, and it is mainly indicated, bromium is mainly indicated for scrofulous or tubercular swellings, especially lower jaw and throat. That is for glandular affection of thyroid, subaxillary, parotid gland, etc. And next about iodine. Iodine is again a remedy for goiter, hard goiter, hypertrophy and induration of glandular tissues. Here in case of iodine, almost all the glands are hypertrophied except breast. Breast is become dwindle and flabby. And again next remedy, Badiaga. In Badiaga also all the glands are swollen, especially thyroid. And again you have studied Epis. Epis is also an important remedy for CA conditions, where there is edematous. Edema is also prominent, and also the nature of pain of Epis, BSS. Easy to remember the code, BSS, that is burning, stinging, sore pains which are rapidly shifting from one part to another. And the side of it is more towards right ആയിരിക്കും, പിന്നെ patient hot ആയിരിക്കും, thirstless ആയിരിക്കും. അങ്ങനെ general symptoms you have to remember. Then next remedy is conium mac, again an important remedy for CA condition, where the glandular induration seems as if hard as a stone. That is stony hardness is much prominent in case of conium mac. And the etiology of conium mac is mainly the symptoms occur after injury or bruise to the gland. So conium is also an important remedy having the cancerous tendency. Then you have studied calcarea iodide. No, calcarea fluor you have already learned. Again calcarea fluor has also indication in stony gland affections, and also in calcarea fluor there are hard nodes in breast and also in goiter. It is a remedy for goiter too. In case of calcareous iodide also, the glands are enlarged, tonsils, goiter, etc. are affected, and all the glands are enlarged, and mainly the goiter occur which around the puberty time. So these are all remedies we have to compare in case of glands. And again here this remedy, that is carbo animalis, is an important remedy for headache. So, and here the patient feels as if a tornado in the head, and wants to hold the head together with the hands. The same symptoms we have learned in glonoin. In case of glonoin, the headache is synchronous with pulse, and the patient likes to hold up the head with hands, and the patient can't lie down because of the congestion. Similar congestion is noticeable in belladonna also, and in bell the patient get worsened by noise, jar, light, lying down, least exertion, etc., and is ameliorated by pressure, tight bandaging, wrapping up, and also during menses there is congestion. Congestion is relieved by menses. So in belladonna, patient's headache is better by during menses. Then argentum nitricum, also the headache is aggravated by mental labor and is ameliorated by pressure അല്ലെങ്കിൽ tight bandaging. Both gives amelioration for headache in case of argentum nitricum. Then you have learned some other remedies having headache preceded by blindness. This symptoms is present in natramur, calibi, iris, gelsemium, etc. Also you have learned on symptom as headache as if a band around head above eyes. This symptoms is present in gelsemium, carbolic acid, sulfur, etc. And in case of carbolic acid, frontal headache is there, and the patient feels as if a rubber band were stretched tightly over forehead from temple to temple. You have learned it, isn't it? So in case of carbolic acid, mainly frontal headache ആയിരിക്കും as if a rubber band were stretched tightly over forehead from temple to temple. Here the patient in carbo animalis, patient feels as if headache as if a tornado in the head and wants to hold the head with both hands. So these are all about carbo animalis. Study well the symptoms, especially of glands, skin, and female symptoms, and also extremities, the weak angles and stiffness of the joints. So these are about it. Thank you.